Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to insert selected radio button value into a remote database of phpMyAdmin, which is MySQL server. And this is the output after ending this video we will get. I'm reloading the browser. I'm entering the first name is Charan, the last name is a K. I'm choosing mail. Before inserting this record, we check that what data contains in a student table. And this student record contains two students, Jack and Lalit. The gender is male and female. Now I enter new values. The Charan, the last name is K, and the gender is the male. I'm inserting the record. And here we got an alert message, record saved successfully. Okay, let's check in the table the inserted values are stored or not. I'm browsing the table. See, here we got 3 Charan K and the radio button value is male. Let's start the coding part. I'm using Notepad++ for this example, and in this Notepad++ contains a simple HTML5 code with a table, some columns of first name, last name, and the gender, 2 radio buttons. The user have a choice to select the male or female. Let's save this file. Before writing the PHP code, we'll check the output, how it looks, the designing part on the browser. I'm uploading the file into wpcharan.com website under public_HTML folder. Select file, insert, and this is a PHP file. Insert radio button values. Let's copy this. In the URL, my domain name is wpcharan.com/ the file name. Enter, and here is the output of the code. A table, 2 input text box controls and 2 radio buttons and 1 button control to insert the record. Let's switch over to the Notepad++. We'll write the PHP code to insert selected radio button values. I'm back to the Notepad++. The first thing, in the forum I'm adding the method is equals to post. Above the doc type, PHP, I'm creating a variable's host name, which is localhost. Host name $db is equals to wp-chadbf underscore Charan is my database. $username, my username is username. $password is password. And notice here in the username and password, the variables have declared the fake ones. But at the time of uploading this PHP file into my remote server, I will change into my real credentials. Just for the security reasons, I am not entering the real credentials. After adding the 4 variables, $con is equals to new PDO, which takes 4 parameters. One is the hosting provider. The hosting is a phpMyAdmin, which is a MySQL server. MySQL, small ones, MySQL colon host is equals to $hostname. DB name is equals to $db, this one, comma, the username and password. if $con is failed to connect die, I want to display the message connection failed dot MySQL underscore connect error number is a method. If is set dollar underscore between square brackets, I'm adding the button control name, which is submit, dollar first name dollar underscore post between single quotes. I'm adding the input type text fname, which is a first name. Copy it. Instead of first name, I'm adding last name, L name, and the last one is a gender. Input radio button name, gender. Sorry, here single quotes. $SQL is equals to $com prepare method between double quotes. I'm adding the insert statement. Before adding the insert statement, let's log into my remote database phpMyAdmin. We'll check the table name and the columns. I just logged into my Bluehost phpMyAdmin remote database. I'm expanding the databases, and wpchadbf underscore Charan is my user database. I'm expanding that one also. For this example, I'm choosing student record. Let's browse the table, and this table contains 4 columns. The first ID column is an auto-generated column. Let's switch back to the coding part again. We'll insert the values into student record. Insert into student record. The column names are the first name in capital, last name, and the gender. Values column, this one, first name, column, last name, column, gender. $com begin transaction method $SQL execute array method between single quotes column, this one, the first name, this variable $first name, comma, column, last name, dollar, last name. Gender, $gender. $con commit method. After commit method is executed, I'm closing the database connection on. Now once the database connection is closed, I want to reload the same insert radio button values.php page. For that I am using header between double quotes location. The file name is exit else if dollar first name dollar last name dollar gender. Echo h2 record not saved. Up to now we have just finished the PHP part. The last one, I want to create the JavaScript to display the alert message. Come to the bottom. After the center script, closing the script, function message alert record saved successfully. Return true. And in the input button I am adding a on click event return this message, this message method. That's it. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output on the browser. I'm reloading the browser. I'm entering the first name is Charan, the last name is a K. I'm choosing male. Before inserting this record, we'll check that what data contains in a student table. And this student record contains two students, Jack and Lalit. The gender is male and female. Now I enter new values. The Charan, the last name is K, and the gender is the male. I'm inserting the record, and here we got an alert message, record saved successfully. Okay, let's check in the table the inserted values are stored or not. I'm browsing the table. See, here we got 3 Charan K and the radio button value is male. That's it. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.